Hello, viewers. What you put into your body has a big impact on your health. Your lungs are not any different from that. It's critical to look after your lungs if you genuinely want to enhance your general health. Pay attention if you're worried about preventing lung diseases, undoing the harm that years of smoking may have caused to your lungs, or controlling a lung ailment that you already have, like asthma or COPD. It has been demonstrated that there are particular foods you can eat to improve the condition of your lungs. Eating the right foods for your lungs can enhance their overall health and function. Additionally, we'll discuss in today's video the best foods to eat in order to treat lung conditions and facilitate breathing. Learn about soy, carrots, tomatoes, garlic, salmon, and more by watching to the very end. 1. Apple Inc. An apple is a low-calorie, high-fiber, high-energy, nutritious, and low-calorie food. It tops our list, as it presumably tops the lists of the majority of dietitians and nutritionists. Its many vitamins, flavonoids, and antioxidants, especially vitamin C, can support the upkeep of a robust immune system and a healthy respiratory system. You can naturally prevent and fight off lung diseases when your respiratory system is functioning properly. Do you enjoy apples? Not at all? True? Which fruit is your favorite that's healthy? Tell us right away in the space provided for comments below. 2. Ginger turmeric. Turmeric's active component, curcumin, has led to its recognition as a potent antioxidant. Curcumin prevents lung tumors from developing by destroying the cells that cause damage. When pepper is present, the body absorbs it the best. Strong antiviral and antibacterial curcumin can also effectively halt a viral infection in its tracks, which is typically caused by an infection of the respiratory system. Equal parts organic turmeric and pepper, not to exceed 3 grams daily, combined with a tiny bit of olive oil would be the perfect combination. However, bear in mind that utilizing turmeric in food preparation greatly diminishes its antioxidant qualities. 3. Tea with green leaves. Green tea. Quercetin is one of the many antioxidants found in green tea. In nature, this antioxidant functions as an antihistamine. Quercetin lessens inflammation and shields your lungs from allergens by delaying the release of histamines. Another antioxidant found in high concentrations in green tea is called flavanol, and it has been shown to have anti-cancer and heart-healthy effects. 4. The mushrooms. Getting enough vitamin D is important for keeping the lungs healthy. This is due to the fact that while healthy vitamin D levels can help prevent asthma attacks, low levels have been linked to an increased risk of developing asthma. Sunlight exposure is one of the best ways to enhance your vitamin D intake, but you can also boost your vitamin D levels by eating mushrooms. Naturally occurring mushrooms that have been exposed to lots of sunlight are among the best sources of vitamin D. Try to eat portobello and maitake mushrooms. 5. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne peppers are widely consumed as food and as a seasoning, and they offer numerous health advantages. They have capsaicin, which has been shown to help reduce uncomfortable coughs and sore throats as well as symptoms of the flu and cold. For those with respiratory conditions or bronchial congestion, cayenne pepper is a recommended food because it helps break up and move congested mucus. 6. Soy. Research has indicated that eating foods containing soy can help lower your risk of developing lung cancer by as much as 60%. Lung cancer is prevented in both smokers and non-smokers by phytonutrients in soy foods called isoflavones. According to a study, soy isoflavones prevent some types of lung cancer cells from repairing their DNA. This has the dual effect of inhibiting lung cancer and increasing the sensitivity of cancer cells to radiation therapy. 7. Ginger. This root can help you breathe in cleaner air because it is a potent antioxidant and a natural anti-inflammatory. Gingerol, which is found in ginger, lessens mucus buildup. It also has another ingredient that can prevent the constriction of your bronchial tubes. Additionally, it eases the breathing of asthmatics by relaxing the muscles lining their lungs. Ginger can be used to make tasty cookies or added to tea. Carrots. Do you wish to have strong lungs? 8. Root vegetables. Eat a lot of carrots. They have a lot of beta-carotene, which protects your lungs from smoke and pollutants and keeps the tiny air sacs healthy. Carrots contain an antioxidant that is transformed into vitamin A, which may help lower the prevalence of asthma. Carrots also contain high levels of lycopene, vitamin C, and A, all of which reduce the risk of lung disease. 9. Spinach grass. It's time to eat a lot of spinach if you smoke or sometimes indulge in drinking. Frequent alcohol consumption and smoking deplete the body's folate stores. Your lungs' health may be negatively impacted by a deficiency in folate, which can also increase your risk of anemia. Folate, a B vitamin that shields your cells from tobacco carcinogens, is abundant in spinach. According to a study, people who had smoked in the past but consumed enough folate reduced their risk of developing lung cancer by 40%. 10. Citrus grapefruit. Although grapefruit has a slightly bitter taste, it tastes sweet to the lungs. Grapefruit flavonoids are excellent at cleaning up lungs that have been contaminated by toxins. Additionally, the fruit may be able to help with lung conditions like COPD. Researchers discovered that individuals with the illness who regularly ate grapefruit had better lung function and higher overall fitness scores than those who never ate the fruit. 11. Tomatoes. Researchers examined the lungs of ex-smokers in connection to their dietary habits. They found that the participants' recuperation was sped up by eating tomatoes. Furthermore, tomatoes stopped lung degeneration in its tracks, preventing further damage. However, tomatoes benefit more than just smokers. Around age 35, people's lungs naturally start to deteriorate due to weakening inner tissues and the diaphragm. To maintain strong lungs, you can postpone this process by eating tomatoes multiple times a week. 12. Onion garlic. Garlic has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities that can help shield your body from oxidative stress in the lungs. Furthermore, a study discovered a long-term correlation between eating raw garlic at least twice a week and a decreased risk of lung cancer. 13. Fish salmon. Packed full of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is one of the best foods for clearing the airways. Certain respiratory conditions can benefit from these heart-healthy fats, according to some research, and they can also help increase blood flow to the heart. According to one study, people with COPD, a lung ailment, who consume more omega-3 fatty acids have reduced inflammatory markers in their bodies. 14. Bananas. Bananas are a nutritional powerhouse that are high in potassium, fiber, and vitamin C. They may be particularly advantageous for lung health. Why, then, are bananas beneficial to the lungs? According to studies, potassium from bananas aids in lung expansion and contraction, preventing respiratory issues. According to additional research, eating bananas may help maintain lung function and may even reduce the chance of wheezing that results from childhood asthma. 15. Edible beans. First and foremost, beans are a fantastic source of magnesium, which has a profound impact on respiratory health. Magnesium has the ability to relax muscles, and it effectively relaxes the muscles that surround your airways. In the end, this keeps them airtight and accessible for breathing. After all, an asthma attack occurs when those muscles tighten. Additionally, beans are a great source of antioxidants, which lower inflammation. According to an intriguing study, the nutrients in beans reduce the amount of time patients with lung diseases needed to use a ventilator. 16. Oranges. As most of you are aware, oranges are high in vitamin C, which is beneficial for those who have asthma. Research indicates that individuals who consume higher levels of vitamin C are less likely to experience asthma symptoms. The goodness, however, doesn't end there. Oranges can also facilitate the transfer of oxygen into the lungs. 17. Complete grains. Complete grains. Select whole grain-based, high-fiber foods over refined carbohydrates like white bread. Consuming a lot of carbohydrates may cause the body to produce more CO2. Your lungs are responsible for expelling carbon dioxide, so the more carbohydrates you consume, the more strain they are under. Thus, limit your intake of carbohydrates and use whole grains to meet your nutritional needs. Coffee. A cup of coffee has been shown to help reduce asthma symptoms. 18. Coffee as a bronchodilator. Caffeine helps asthmatics breathe easier by relaxing their constricted airways and lessens the strain on their breathing muscles. Research has indicated that consuming a cup of coffee in the morning enhances both respiratory and lung functions. Coffee has amazing health benefits for your body in addition to being good for your lungs. Watch the video, Drinking Coffee Every Day Does This to Your Body, to learn about all of them. Back to the foods that help heal damaged lungs. 19. Water. Although it's not strictly a food, dehydration can have an impact on your body's systems, including your respiratory system. Water consumption helps to reduce the mucus lining your lungs and airways. Dehydration can cause mucus to thicken and become sticky, which impairs breathing generally and increases your vulnerability to allergies, diseases, and other respiratory issues. Drinking water is a great natural way to get rid of toxins from your body. Up your water or fluid intake to help ward off allergies, bronchitis, and other respiratory issues. Which of the foods in today's video are you a regular eater? Do you believe it has improved the health of your lungs? Tell us in the space provided for comments below.